Welcome to the channel Competitive Ada. In the previous class, we solved up to question number 48 of the part vehicle maintenance part 1. In this class, we discuss the remaining topic, which is vehicle maintenance part 2. Okay. So the question number 49 is, what is the function of knock sensor in a vehicle's engine? So the right answer will be the function of knock sensor is to control the fuel injection timing. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Which component is responsible for compressing refrigerant in the vehicle's air conditioning system? So the component responsible for compressing as the compressing the refrigerant. So the component is used for compressor. Okay. So compressor is the right answer. B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the purpose of CVT, that means continuously variable transmission in a vehicle. The purpose of CVT is to provide smooth and efficient transmission ratio. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 52. Which type of brake system uses a hydraulic fluid to transmit force in the brake drums? So right answer will be drum brake. Okay, option B is the correct. Next question number 53. What is the purpose of MAP? MAP means manifold absolute pressure. It is a sensor in a vehicle engine. So it is used to monitor the air intake. So option A is the correct. Okay. Next question number 54. Which component is responsible for converting reciprocating motion into rotational motion in the engine? So crankshaft is the right answer because crankshaft convert the reciprocating motion into rotary motion. So option C is the option B is the correct answer. Okay, this crankshaft, and this is the very important question. Star. Okay. Next question number 55. What is the purpose of fuel injector in vehicle engine? So as the name suggests, fuel injector, that means it will inject the fuel. So it is helping control the fuel injection. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which part of the vehicle suspension system support the weight of the vehicle and provide smooth ride? So it will be coil spring. Okay. Option D is the correct. Next, what is the purpose of ECU? What is the purpose of ECU? That means engine control unit in the vehicle's engine management system. So it will control the fuel injection timing. So option C is the correct answer. Next question 58. Which part of the vehicle's braking system apply pressure to the brake drum in the brake drum brakes? So answer will be option C, brake shoe. Okay, next question number 59. What is the purpose of throttle position sensor in the vehicle's engine? So it will control the fuel injection. Okay, option C is the correct. Next, which component is responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant in the vehicle's air conditioner? This is a repeated question from the previous question we discussed. What is the purpose of pressurizing the refrigerant in the vehicle's air conditioning? The component will be compressor. Okay, so option B, compressor is the correct answer. Next, what the term AWD? So AWD means all wheel drive. Okay, option B is the correct. Next, which system in vehicles is responsible for reducing the vibration and transmitting power to the wheel? So drivetrain system is responsible for reducing vibration and transmitting the power to the vehicle. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, drivetrain. Okay. Next, what is the purpose of ABS? ABS means anti-lock braking system in the vehicle. So ABS function is to prevent the wheel lockup during braking. So option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 64. Which part of the vehicle's exhaust system connect the exhaust manifold to the muffler? So it will be exhaust pipe. Okay, option D is the correct. Next, what is the purpose of EVAP? EVAP means evaporative emission control system in the vehicle. So it will be the capture and control the fuel vapor. So EVAP purpose is to capture and control the fuel vapor. So option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 66. Which part of the vehicle suspension system help keep the tire in contact with the road in on uneven surface? That means slopy surfaces where we have to ride in mountains. Okay, so which part of the vehicle suspension system helps in keeping the tire in contact with the road on uneven surface? So it will be strut. Okay, option A is the correct. Next, what is the purpose of differential in the vehicle's rear wheel drive system? So differential function is to distribute the power to the wheel. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Next, which component is responsible for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy to start the engine? So it will be starter motor, which is option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 69. What is the purpose of timing chain in the vehicle's engine? So the purpose of timing chain in the vehicle's engine to synchronize the engine component. So option B is the correct. Okay. Next, which part of the vehicle's exhaust system helps reduce noise uh, without uh, restricting exhaust flow? So it will be resonator. Okay. And C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, what does the term ESP stand for the context of vehicle maintenance? So ESP full form is Electronic Stability Program. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, which part of the vehicle's electrical system control the timing of the spark plug firing? So it will be the distributor. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. This is distributor. Okay. Next, what is the purpose of fuel pressure sensor in vehicle's fuel system? So it will be to regulate the fuel pressure. Okay. Option B is the correct. Next, which type of brake system uses a pair of shoes that press against inside the drum of for braking? So it will be the drum brake. Option B is the correct answer. Next, what is the purpose of sway bar in the vehicle suspension system? So it will be the reduce the body roll during turn. This is the correct answer. Next, the last question. What is the purpose of O2 sensor? That means oxygen sensor in vehicle's exhaust system. So it will measure the exhaust gas oxygen level. So O2 mentioned, so it will be the measure the exhaust gas oxygen level. Option C is the correct answer. So that's our chapter vehicle maintenance, and we have nearly solved 76 MCQ related to the vehicle maintenance. Okay, then next class we try to solve some few MCQ related to the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Okay, so thank you.